What I wish I knew at the start of my career. The real cost of metal failure isn't just a broken component, it's operational chaos and financial disaster. Metal failure analysis is the quiet backbone of modern engineering. It's not just about knowing what went wrong, but why. Picture this: a tiny fracture in a pipeline leading to a catastrophic oil spill, or a microscopic defect in an aircraft wing causing a mid-flight emergency. Scary, right? That's where this exclusive training, metal failure analysis training, identification, remedies, and prevention for industry professionals comes in. This training isn't just theory. It's packed with real-world case studies from aerospace, oil and gas, automotive, and power industries. You'll learn how to spot hidden issues before they turn into costly disasters. Expert will dive deep into advanced tools like scanning electron microscopy, energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy, electron backscatter diffraction, and digital twins, the cutting-edge diagnostics that most engineers rarely get to use. And it's not just about finding the problem, it's about fixing it. You'll walk away with proven strategies for repair, redesign, and prevention. Imagine having the power to predict problems before they happen. This training will equip you with early warning techniques that let you fix issues long before failure occurs. Who should attend? Metallurgical and materials engineers, mechanical and reliability engineers, metal producers and users, OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers, and quality and failure investigation teams. Especially if you're in the chemical industry. Don't miss out. Avoid costly recalls, extend component life, ensure operational excellence. Join the training to master not only the art of metal failure analysis, but also the strategies for remedies and prevention like a pro. Ready to save time, money, and boost your expertise? Let's get started. To register, click on the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com now. And hey, also check out OnlyTRAININGS Academy for hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.